you know very well, in the globe, one reference line yesterday we have drawn, and we have talked about it is northern direction, it is south direction, north and south. But this direction is east and this direction is west. So one line can be drawn also to show the east-west, and for east-west division can be like that. For example, if we draw this line like that, it will be east, it will be west. But in your opinion, this line is which kind of line? Perpendicular to the equator, parallel to the equator? It is perpendicular to the equator. For east-west determination, we have to say, okay, east and west. A line is required. For north-south, equator will work, but for east-west, this kind of line can work. But if you say on the globe, it is the globe. For example, it is north pole, it is south pole. If I draw this kind of line here, it is also perpendicular line to the equator, then we can say it is east or west. East or this side? West. But same way, if I draw like that, it is also, we can say east, it could be west. So basically, what is the confusion on the globe? Determining the east-west. We can make any line reference line in round shape. There is no center like that. In the globe, any line we can draw like this. We can say, okay, this side east, this side west. And you know it very well. For example, I say it is the reference line we draw, passing through the USA, etc. Then if I say we travel like that, east, 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 ultimately we are reaching to which side? West. So east will be meeting with the west. So we even consider in the globe this difficulty is there, that once we travel the east, 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 we will reach to the west automatically, because our earth is rounding. So this is a problem in east-west. So imaginary line though we can draw as a convention, and it will be having conventionally this side east and this side west. But up to how much extent we can call east, how much extent we can call west? For example, first of all, if I say which line can be drawn as a reference line, you can say that we can say central line. Then we do not know that which will be the central line on the globe, you can say in round shape. So it decided by the powerful countries. I am powerful country, I will decide. And in 1884, one decision took place that this line to decide east-west must pass through the most powerful country of that time. And you know that time it was USA or UK. UK was superpower. So UK convinced worldwide that to decide east-west on the globe, this line must pass through the UK. If India had, then this line passed. This line, UK decided that this line would pass through the UK, and for example, one country is UK here. And which city of UK? London, and near London one suburb is there, Greenwich. And this location Greenwich is one place in UK, United Kingdom, near London, where Royal Observatory of UK, Royal Observatory. Then UK convinced world community that this line would pass through the Greenwich line, and one point will be North Pole, one point will be South Pole, and one will be the Greenwich. And it will decide that this side is east, this side is west, conventionally. And this hemisphere, eastern surrounding, called by which name? Eastern hemisphere. And this surrounding will be called by which hemisphere? Western hemisphere. So determination of eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere demarcated by which line? Greenwich line, perpendicular to the equator. If USA had been superpower that time, it would have been possible that this line would have passed through the New York. If India or Washington, if India had been superpower, it would have been possible it would have passed through the Delhi, etc. So it was merely the power scenario that time, and this particular thing has been said because you are aware of, for example, if I say on the globe, this country is UK. अब दिखाई नहीं दे रहा, इतनी बार ड्रॉ कर दी गई है लाइन ये वाली. But if I say this line, North Pole, UK, Royal Observatory, passing through African nation, then joining at South Pole, this hemisphere, which hemisphere? East. But you know very well this part is eastern hemisphere till opposite direction, and this side is western hemisphere. But you are aware of, once we go to east and eastern hemisphere, ultimately we will enter the western hemisphere as well. So up to this juncture, conventionally we call it eastern hemisphere, this side to opposite side, and this part is the western hemisphere. If suppose this line would have passed through the India, then up to here it should have been the eastern hemisphere, this would have been the western hemisphere. So we have to accept that these lines here which I have drawn like that, these are the imaginary line or real line? Imaginary line, conventional line. To decide east and west, that is Greenwich line we call. And this Greenwich line is even made as a reference. Reference means 0. It was called by which name? 0 degree line. Definitely, that is the reason. I will come to that point later on. So if I say that this famous line, Greenwich line, passing through the Royal Observatory near London in Greenwich location, joining North Pole, South Pole, called as Greenwich line, and east of this eastern hemisphere and west of this western hemisphere. Yes, please. If I say that this Greenwich line as reference line, even called by one more name due to the reference, this line is also called as prime meridian. So Greenwich line is nothing but, even called by which name? Prime meridian. So it is same. It is not same. International date line is just opposite. I will come to this point. If I say Greenwich line has another name, which another name? Prime meridian, passing through the Greenwich. And the relevance of this line, it is dividing eastern and western hemisphere of our earth. And what is the relevance of equator line? Dividing our earth northern and southern hemisphere. So if I say this kind of line, north, south, this kind of line, east, west. Okay. Now if I say that this particular line which we have drawn, this line is in your opinion joining North Pole, Greenwich and South Pole. So this line is passing through the center of the earth or periphery of the earth? Yes, definitely periphery of the earth. This line on the surface, Greenwich on the surface, it is not center. So this line is passing through like that, periphery, surface of the earth, like that. It is not passing through the center. So this line by nature also half circle or full circle? Half circle. But equator is what? Full circle. So these line, prime meridian or Greenwich line by nature is full circle, half circle? Half circle on earth surface. On earth surface. Now if I say where India is placed, you can say we are in the eastern hemisphere with respect to Greenwich line or prime meridian, or western hemisphere. We are part of eastern hemisphere. We are on the east of Greenwich line. So we are on the eastern hemisphere. And as far as location is concerned, India is located like that in the eastern hemisphere. So as far as Indian location is concerned, we are here. So India is part of which hemisphere? India is part of eastern hemisphere. Greenwich line, eastward, eastern hemisphere. Now, if I say that around how much east we are from the Greenwich line, if I say how much east we are from Greenwich line, then it will be a kind of angle which we can draw from this surrounding. For example, if it is 0 degree, it will be around 30 degree, 60 degree like that. So if I say that it is 0 degree, for example, then a line I draw like that, it will be same 0 degree or 30 degree, for example. It could be 60 degree, it could be 80 degree, it could be 90 degree. So basically, if I say once we make the angle like that along the Greenwich line all side, then it will be how much in angle? 360 degree. So these particular way we can show the globe 0 degree to 30 degree to 60 degree to 90 degree to again 180 degree and so many things. And if we want to show this part with the slightly 3D figure, then the same diagram which I have drawn like that, then it is looking like what? That which lines are passing through India? Maybe 80 degree line, east or west? East. So India gradually how much apart from the Greenwich line? Opposite 180 degree or in between? In between 80 degree, 90 degree like that. So neither we are opposite to Greenwich line nor on the west, rather slightly in middle part of the eastern hemisphere, around 90 degree. So if I say this part, then this part, then this part, suppose it is the line 0 degree. You are aware of once we move like that, opposite we go to this side. So it is what? 0 degree line or 180 degree line? If it is 0 degree line, it is 0 degree line, then what would be the opposite line of it? 180 degree line.